Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another episode of the Adventure Bus. Today we are going to be putting the silicone sealer on the roof. We dry fitted the solar panels a few days ago, so we know exactly how we're going to mount them. So that part is finished. Today we got to go up here and put some of this stuff on top of the roof. So that's silicone roof sealant. So the idea with that stuff is if there's any cracks or anywhere that water is going to get in, that's going to find it and give us a waterproof seal underneath our solar panels. It's white, which is nice for the sun, but the solar panels are going to be on top of that. So don't think it matters the color, mostly the benefits of this stuff for the roof, just so that we have a good foundation to put our solar panels on. Okay, so the instructions on this stuff are basically open the can, put it down, close the can. They don't want you to stir it. It's basically already pre-mixed, and once the air gets at it, it starts the curing process. So basically the process that I'm going to do is pour some on the roof, close the can right away, start working it into the roof, open the can, pour some more, close the can, so on and so forth. Just want to make sure this thing stays sealed.